Hey mob, welcome back to another hair tutorial. As you guys can see, I have on this beautiful 13x4 kinky lace front wig. Get into the hair, get into the hair. This hair has movement, this hair is super full, and it's just absolutely beautiful. And it also reminds me of my natural hair when I straighten it. But today's video will be sponsored by VSHOWHAIR. So if you guys want to see exactly how I was able to achieve this flawless install, then make sure that you continue to watch. So as usual, I'm just giving you guys a quick unboxing, just so you know that pamphlet will give you instructions as to how to actually care for the hair. So that's very useful, by the way. Alright, so going into the hair details, this is Vshow's 13x4 transparent lace front kinky straight natural black wig. The particular wig that I have is 24 inches long and it is 250% density, you guys. So look at all that movement. That's what I really wanted to show you. This hair is so pretty. It reminds me of the hair that I used to get back in the day when I used to rock sew-ins. That kinky straight natural hair, I love it. Also, they have an elastic band on this wig, which I was super happy about. The more security, the better, and of course the lace is super transparent, which makes it easy to blend after bleaching. Alright, let's get into this install so I look crazy. I also did pluck the hair off camera and also put makeup on the lace as well. And I wanted to give you guys a more close-up on that elastic band. It actually has 3 different holes. That way you can adjust it if needed, if you want it looser, or if you want it tighter. And that's how much hair I plucked out of the frontal. But just so you guys are aware, the frontal does come pre-plucked. And everything that I use will be listed in the description box down below, including all the hair info because I have a discount code for you guys. So I'm just fitting the wig to my head, seeing exactly how it looks. And the first thing that I'm going to do is cut around my ears to create my sideburns. So now I'm going in with my Eben adhesive spray. You guys know this is my holy grail because I do not use glue. I want to try the black one though. The black one is supposed to be a little bit more of like a super mega hold. This one, I find that I have to apply it like 2 to 3 times to get the hold that I want. So if any of you guys use the black one, let me know if you like it or if I should just stick with the yellow one. But as you guys can see, I spray it twice and I go in with my blow dryer on cool air, wait until it gets a little bit tacky, then I lay the lace down, and then I also use a spray on top of the lace as well, just for extra security. Alright, so I let my lace do its thing for about like 10 to 15 minutes or so. I used 2 different elastic bands, but look at this hair, you guys. This hair is so freaking pretty. Like, it looks so natural. That's what I love about it. Kinky straight is always a good texture for us black girls because it really reminds me of my natural hair if I was to straighten it. But now I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and it's time for the hot comb, which is like my favorite part. Please be careful to not burn yourself. But basically what I like to use is the wax stick just to lay all of the flyaways down, and then I go in with the hot comb and really melt that lace, okay? And I know the lace is off color right now, but don't worry, we'll fix that later. All right, so she is looking good, she is looking flat, and she is looking laid. So now it's okay for me to cut off that additional lace, which I'm using with my small razor. You guys are also going to see me use my small scissors as well, just to get those little bitty pieces that I couldn't really get with the razor without cutting myself. Be careful with the small scissors too, by the way, because I always get myself with that. I always do. But yeah, after I do that, that's actually when I go in with my rat tail comb and some more adhesive spray. And what I do is I spray the spray on the rat tail part of the comb, and I just dab it onto the edges of the lace just to give it that extra flawless laid look, if that makes any sense. Okay, so just watch, because it's a lot easier to watch than me explaining it. So now I'm just going in with some more makeup to cover up that transparent look on the lace and make it a little bit more believable that it's coming from my scalp, you know? And just so you guys know, I will have the exact link to the one that I'm using in the description box down below. Alright, so now I'm just flat ironing this hair. Of course, the flat iron that I'm using will be listed in the description box down below. And of course, this large flat iron definitely came in handy with this hair, because this is so much hair, you guys, so full, and the texture is kinky straight. But that's the thing though, I didn't have to go over this hair multiple times to get it super straight. I made sure I flat ironed super slow. Sometimes I would use my rat tail comb just to get an even more sleeker, straight look. However, it wasn't hard or difficult for me to get this hair super straight, and you guys see the movement in this hair. Like, I was actually really shocked by that, to be honest with you. You don't always get that when it comes to kinky straight hair because of how full it is, you know what I mean? So this was like a 2-in-1, girl. Like, you can have the poofy look if you want, you could do some natural hairstyles with it if you want to, but if you want to straighten it, it's not going to be difficult for you to get that super straight look. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know that. But other than that though, you guys, I didn't have any shedding with this hair, like, at all. I did not have any tangling with this hair, thank God. Because that would have been a hot mess. This hair was so easy to work with. All right, and I know you guys see those sideburns. I am not a sideburn girl. I tried it and I was just like, no ma'am. So I did fix that later on, just so you guys know. So here's a little trick that I do whenever I'm doing a side part or a middle part and I just feel like the top of the hair is too poofy and I want it flat even more. What I do is I part the hair in sections, and I use my wax stick and my hot comb and just go over those sections with the hot comb just to make it lay flat a little bit more. So I did that to both sides. That way the top of the wig looked a little bit more natural and believable and not as poofy. Alright, so just like I told you guys before, I got rid of those damn baby hairs. I just couldn't do it, and it looks so much more natural and effortless this way. This is my type of install. I don't know who I was, but I was trying something new and I ain't like it, so I like it this way. But alright, you guys, that'll be all for today's wig install. I want to thank Vshow again for sponsoring another video of mine. This hair is absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys so much for sending this wig to me. Just so you guys know, I will have all the hair information listed in the description box down below, including the discount code, so make sure you check out my description box, and I'll have all the products I use as well. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.